YouTube, Dre again here with the next quick installation on this 2015 Dodge Journey. This is pretty quick installation. Basically what's happening here is we're getting a message on the dashboard saying that one of the brake light is out, the signal light I should say, sorry. So I'm going to show you how to figure out which side is done and which side needs to be replaced. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and turn my signals on so you can see what's happening here. So, okay, go in the vehicle. Okay, I'm going to start off from the front. We're going to check the right side. Okay, you notice how it's flashing fast. Okay, the left side. Okay, that's working. Okay, left side, left side, left side, right side. Okay, so you notice how the light is not on. Can you turn your headlights on, please? So you notice, okay, the light comes on, but nothing's happening. Okay, signal the left side again, please. Right, yeah, okay. All right, so the vehicle is showing you saying that there's a message on the dash. So this is a message you're getting, but I just showed you how to diagnose and figure out where it's coming from. So this is a message you get. It's saying turn signal lamp is out, but it doesn't. Well, I guess in the description here shows that it's the left side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how to replace that. So normally, when one of your bulbs is out, whichever side is out, it's gonna flash a lot faster. Let me go back in the vehicle here. Sorry about that, and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so. Hold on, make it go. So you notice how the right side is flashing normally, and when you go to the left side, it's going to start flashing fast. So that's a quick way to tell that your bulb is out on your left side. Okay, now I'm going to shut the vehicle off. Now we're going to go to the back and we're going to get it done. Okay. Now all you need to replace this. Hold it here, please. All you need to replace this is just your flathead screwdriver, and this is your part number for the bulb that's in here. When you go and pick this bulb up, there's going to be two options. You can get the regular bulb or you can get the LED bulb. We just went ahead and just got this one. So okay, let me go ahead and start. So you got two clips. You got one at the top here and you got one at the bottom. So you just got to boot your flathead in and just pry back a bit. Just take your time. If you can spin it around. And I never took this thing apart, so this is the first time this is coming apart. You pull this piece out, move to the bottom, do the same thing, and just take your time. You don't have to be too rough with this thing, because if you're too rough, you might have to replace it. Would have been better if Dodge put some metal bolts here, but what are you gonna do? Just take your time, work your way around. It's gonna come out, but it has no choice. It's about 7 right now, so it's getting a little dark, but you should still be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, got that one out, and then now I'm just going to use my flathead to go behind, get the clip out. Do the same thing on the bottom. This one, okay, there we go. Okay, sorry. go ahead and you just hold on to it and just gently slide it out like so, and then there's only one in here, so that's pretty easy. You turn and then you pull it out. Get your light here. Pull your bulb out, and let me show you how you can tell that this one's broken. You see inside here, it's hard to see, but there's two pieces in here, one at the top, one at the bottom. You can clearly see that the bottom one is broken. Probably can't see it in the video, but the bottom one's broken. It's hard to see. You won't be able to see it, but I'm gonna open a package and I'm just gonna install this bulb over here. The bulb is in, and before I put it back, I'm gonna go in the vehicle and double check to make sure. She's flashing. Okay, so as you can see, the back is flashing. Working now. You go to the front. Front is good. Now we're gonna just put this back in, and then we're just gonna move on to the other side. So all you got to do now. Oh, you should turn the light off, but it's okay. You line up the grooves. Okay, big one on this side. Just turn, put her in. Lock, as simple as that. And the slider back in. You see she's got some pieces right here. 1, 2, 1 and 2. This light, you see these grooves here on your back of your lights? Right here. You just gotta make sure you put it back in the groove, and you don't have to go, you don't have to push it. It should just fit right back inside the location, like so. Okay, that one's in. First you put these pieces in. Line up your holes, make sure you can see your holes good. That one's in. That one's in. Let me turn the lights on. Okay, now all you got to do, you get this one right here, line it up with the groove, push it in like that. That's locked. Find the same way on this side. Sorry. Okay, that one's in. It comes with 2 bulbs, so you might as well just go ahead and replace both of them, because they might have a certain amount of hours on them, and you didn't. The one that's working, you just take it out, you just keep it as a spare. But it's always a good idea to replace both of them at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. Okay, that one's out. Move to the bottom. Just work it around. She's out. Came a lot easier than the other one. Get behind here with your flathead. So everything there. That one's out. Slide her out. It's not too heavy. Gloves just slide in. There we go. She's out. Twist. Pull your bulb out. Open up your packet. Put the other bulb in. She's in. Make sure you line up your grooves. You see, look right here. You got some grooves on here. So you just got to make sure when you look at this part here, You see that different side grooves, you line them up, put them in and twist, just like so. So I'm gonna find the big part. You can see my holes. Okay, same thing again. Put those in. Get your flat load tabs, line them up with how it's supposed to go inside. Press it flat. The other one, and there you go. You're pretty much done. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this is Draytec Auto, and I'm out. Peace.